Clear acne and make money with lemons, the ultimate guide. Hey skincare lovers, it's your girl, CyberX, and let's be real, who doesn't want that amazing glowy skin? But sometimes our skin has other plans, right? Breakouts happen, it's life. But what if I told you the secret to fighting those pesky pimples and getting that lit from within glow might already be chilling in your kitchen? No, seriously. I'm talking about lemons. Those yellow things you squeeze on your fish. Yeah, those. Turns out they're like little skincare ninjas. And the best part? You can actually turn this whole lemon thing into a side hustle, make some money while getting your glow on. It's a win-win. So grab a snack, because I'm about to break down how to use lemons to clear your skin and maybe even pad your wallet a little. Stay tuned. Okay, so we all know lemons are good for lemonade and stuff. But did you know they're packed with this magical thing called vitamin C? And no, I'm not talking about that stuff you chug when you're feeling a cold coming on. Vitamin C is like a superhero for your skin. See, vitamin C is an antioxidant, which sounds super sciencey, but basically, it means it protects your skin from all the bad stuff in the environment that can make you break out. And get this, lemons also have this other thing called citric acid, which is like a natural exfoliator. So, it helps get rid of all the dead skin cells that can clog your pores and cause, you guessed it, more breakouts. It's like lemons are these little ninjas that fight acne on multiple levels. They fade dark spots, kill bacteria, and brighten your skin all at the same time. It's actually kind of insane. But, and this is a big but, you gotta use them the right way, or you could end up doing more harm than good. Trust me, I've been there. I once put straight lemon juice on my face thinking I was gonna look like Beyoncé, and let's just say it did not end well. My skin was red, itchy, and honestly, it looked like a tomato had a baby with a chili pepper. Not cute. So, here's the deal. Always dilute lemon juice with water or honey before you put it on your face. Always, always, always. And if you have sensitive skin, definitely do a patch test first. Just put a little bit on your wrist or something, and wait a day or two to make sure you don't have a bad reaction. Alright, so now that I've sufficiently scared you about the dangers of undiluted lemon juice, let's talk about how to actually use this stuff the right way. Don't worry, it's super easy. Even I can do it, and I once burned water trying to make tea. So, for this super simple, super effective lemon spot treatment, you're gonna need two things: a lemon and some honey. The kind Winnie the Pooh is obsessed with. First, you're gonna take your lemon and roll it on the counter a little bit. This helps to release all the juices, so you get the most out of your lemon. Then cut the lemon in half and squeeze about a teaspoon of juice into a small bowl. Make sure you strain out any seeds, because nobody wants lemon seeds stuck to their face. Next, add a teaspoon of honey to the bowl and mix it together with the lemon juice until it forms a nice, smooth paste. Now, for the fun part, take a clean cotton swab, dip it into your lemon-honey mixture, and dab it directly onto any blemishes or dark spots. Avoid getting it too close to your eyes, because that's just asking for trouble. Leave the mixture on for about 10 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. And voila! You've just given yourself a mini facial with ingredients you probably already had in your kitchen. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start to see a difference in your skin's brightness and clarity. Seriously, it's like magic. But the good kind of magic, not the kind that turns you into a frog. Okay, so now that we've got the whole skincare thing down, let's talk business. Because who doesn't love a good side hustle? And let's be real, extra cash is always a good thing. So, what if I told you that you could take this little lemon honey concoction and turn it into a money-making machine? I'm not even kidding. People are obsessed with natural skincare these days, and they're willing to pay for it. Especially if it works, which, spoiler alert, this does. So here's the plan. We're gonna take our DIY spot treatment and turn it into a legit product that you can sell online or even at local markets. First things first, you're gonna need to stock up on supplies. Get yourself some cute little jars to put your product in, maybe some amber glass jars with those little black lids, so chic. You'll also need some labels and maybe some cute little boxes to package everything in. Now, for the actual product, you can either make small batches as you go, Or whip up a bigger batch to have on hand. Just make sure you're storing it in a cool, dark place so it stays fresh. And speaking of fresh, always, always, always use fresh ingredients. Like, don't even think about using that lemon that's been rolling around in the back of your fridge since who knows when. Okay, so you've got your product, you've got your packaging. Now it's time to get down to business. And by business, I mean marketing and selling this little miracle worker. First things first, pricing. You don't want to overcharge and scare people away, but you also don't want to undervalue your hard work. Do some research and see what similar products are going for, and then price yours accordingly. Next, let's talk marketing. In the age of social media, it's easier than ever to get the word out about your amazing product. Create a cute little Instagram account dedicated to your brand. Post high-quality photos of your product, share customer testimonials, and maybe even do some behind-the-scenes videos of you making your spot treatment. You can also sell your product on Etsy, or even create your own website. And don't forget about the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Give samples to your friends and family and ask them to spread the word. You can even offer them a discount if they refer a friend who makes a purchase. Remember, building a successful business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't become a millionaire overnight. Just keep creating amazing products, providing excellent customer service, and putting yourself out there. You got this. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to clearing your skin and making money, all with the power of lemons. Who knew those little yellow things could be so versatile? Remember, always use diluted lemon juice on your skin. Be consistent with your applications. And don't forget to rock that SPF every single day. And when it comes to your business, be creative, be persistent, and most importantly, have fun. If you decide to try out this DIY spot treatment or start your own lemon-powered business, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'm dying to hear about your experiences. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome beauty and business tips. Until next time, stay glowy, my friends. So, are you ready to become a lemon-loving, acne-fighting, money-making machine? I know I am. Remember, with a little creativity and some good old-fashioned hustle, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Now go forth and conquer those blemishes and those bank accounts. And don't forget to share your success stories with me in the comments below. I'm rooting for you. See you in the next video.